So where am I off to now? The Yellow Green Farmers Market. I'll take you inside, but for now, this is what it looks like on the outside. It does cost $10 to park your vehicle, so if you are coming here, just be mindful that it does cost $10. My drink is a spicy margarita and a quesadilla for lunch. So a spicy margarita and a quesadilla. It is very hot here, but this is delicious. Thank you. Delicious. It's so good. At. It's very delicious. A little bit of the outside of the market. Come play hopscotch. Well, I just left the Yellow Green Farmers Market. I'm on my way back to my moped. Like I said, my van is broken down, so I'll be driving my moped everywhere. But that was a very delicious meal I had, so make sure you check it out. It is so hot. I just walked back from the farmer's market. I did not pay the $10 to park. I parked in a different park and walked 3 blocks over. I could have just paid the 10 bucks, but for me, I'm just on a little moped. Just a little moped. And they're just gonna have me park on the sideway anyway, on the sidewalk. So this is where I parked. I made it back to my van. I need an ice cold drink because it is so freaking hot. Oh, I have a soda. Oh no. I thought I had like a, yeah, iced tea. Iced tea will do. So I'm gonna take a little break, take a little nap, and see what else there is to do. I have no clue what I want to do today. I just know I don't want to sit here anymore, so I'm not really sure if I want to drive my moped to the beach or just drive around on my moped. But come along with me and find something to do, because I seem to find beauty in no matter where I go or what I do. So it's better than sitting around in here all day. So let's just drive my moped around and see what we get up to. The water's so high, it's going through the wall in I'm flooding the street almost. Just under a bridge exploring. So I went to go look at the beach. I rode my moped around. Now I'm at the Walgreens because I have to get some sunblock on me. I have some sunblock and some sunscreen on my face now, but I just ran out like not too long ago, so let me pick up some before I burn. So now that I got my sunscreen, now I'm hungry and I need something to eat because I'm starving. So now I'll just drive around and look for somewhere to eat. The place I wound up going to is Charlie's. I got the Philly chicken cheesesteak and French fries with a glob of ketchup on it, a Coca-Cola, and some water. Want a bite? Here you go. Want a French fry? Here you go. And a sip of soda. Yum. Does it taste like a Philly cheesesteak? No, because I'm from Philly and I know what they're supposed to taste like. But is it good? Yes, it's good. Well, I'm done eating, so I'm gonna go head back to my van and take a nap. So thanks for spending the day with me. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for keeping me company.